Alright, boys and girls, well, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Elijah Woods here with us. I believe this could be the first time, and that is crazy. I've listened to him before many times, but anyway, this is the song called January Ice. Alright, so this will be a quick one. We have a 3-chord song, the C major 7, and F major 7. It's gonna go like that from the beginning till the very end, and one string pattern, no need for any capo. So we're gonna dive right into this tutorial, and we're gonna start off with the chords. So we're gonna learn the C first. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The C major 7, what you do there is just to take away the 1st B and get that open. Everything else is the same, and that gives us C major 7. And then we had a final chord, the F major 7. That is played 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. And there you have the chord progression. C, C major, F major. All right. Let's take a look at the strumming now. So we have a string pattern. We can split that on 2 different halves. We're gonna play them as they are, full every time, but just for the learning aspect here, it will be a little bit easier to divide it here. So we're gonna look at the first chord, the C, and then play the first. Actually, I can play the full round. It goes like this. So the first half will be down, 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 up. So. And if you listen carefully there in the introduction of the tutorial, I sometimes played down, 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 up. So I added one down there like this. And it's up to you. The song starts with the first version, the down, short little pause, and then down, down, up. But then later on in the song, it plays like this, but also with the second version where you play an extra down. So down, 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 up. So sometimes you can play down, 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 up, and sometimes you can play down, 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 up. It's up to you, and you can go back and forth with that. So anyway, that's the first half. Down, 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 up. And then you're going to continue with up, down, 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 up. So, up, down, 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 up. So if you put that together, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so that's one string around, and that's what we're going to play for C. Then you're going to play one string around for C major 7 as well. And then you're going to go to the F major 7 and play 2 string rounds there. And that's it. So C1, C major 1, F major 2, like this. So I demonstrated one round of this chord progression with the first version, and the second round with the second version. It's up to you in any way you're gonna play and handle Elijah Woods' January Ice. So hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Like always, if you are a subscriber, then that is great. Thank you so much. In any way, you can always like or comment this tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, play tuned.